What is up, everyone? It is Saturday, November 19th. I am here with a box that is fresh off the FedEx truck, and what a week it has been for sneakers. Lately, it's felt like the value of all of the sneakers that I've got in my collection that used to be very popular have just been plummeting. The economy is tanking. And this week, my wife got a shock drop of this pair right here, the Jordan 11 Cherries. Then we had the Jordan 4 A Ma Manières drop, and then today we had the Chicago Lost and Founds. And all of a sudden, it feels like things are sort of back to normal. Don't know if it'll hold, but this week has been great. Aside from the fact that I actually wasn't able to get a pair of the Lost and Founds, but consolation prize, my wife actually managed to catch the shock drop of these. They're the Jordan 11 Cherries, although the tag says white, varsity red, black. Not sure why they're not called the Jordan 11 Varsity Reds, but regardless, I do not have any Jordan 11s. I'm not a Jordan 11 guy. I've never been a big fan of the design, just personal taste. But this colorway, when I saw the photos, I thought, that looks really good. And then I realized it's because they've never done this colorway before. And I think I'm gonna be really tempted by these, but let's get them open and have a look. Whoa, interesting. That's not even paper. I don't know what that is. Plastic. Never seen that before. But if I had to guess, it's probably because these have patent leather on them and they don't want paper to scuff. That actually makes a lot of sense. These feel very soft to the touch, protecting the shoe. And man, these look clean. Whew. Clean colorway. The patent leather is absolutely beautiful. I think one big thing with this shoe is the construction has to be on point. If you're gonna use patent leather, you gotta make sure that you don't accidentally crease it. And the quality on these definitely looks very, very nice. So, having never had a Jordan 11 before, I'm not sure as to whether or not these features are commonplace on Jordan 11s or not. Definitely the shoe is classic in terms of its color blocking. First and foremost, kind of the cherry on top of the cherry shoe, this translucent icy sole with this kind of carbon fiber pattern, red and black inlay with a Jumpman in the middle and the hits of red front and rear is just such a beautiful looking sole. Then you got the clean white midsole and the red patent leather as the accent through the middle of the shoe into this kind of ballistic nylon upper, red Jumpman on the back. The only thing, if there's one little nit looking at this shoe, it's that this 23 on the back, which is super clean looking in terms of the font, just doesn't quite seem to fit the rest of the shoe in terms of quality. Like, this shoe looks very durable, and that just looks like you snag it on something and you're gonna cut straight through the numbers. But that's a very small nit on an otherwise absolutely beautiful shoe. Inside the tongue, we have a tag that says quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. We have a really nice embroidered Jumpman logo on the back. Really nice quality white leather on this rear area of the shoe. I don't know that there's much else to say about these other than I think Jordan Brand hit a home run with the colorway. I'm so surprised that this colorway has not been done before. You'd think with a color as simple and clean as red and white, it would have been done just like it's been done on the Chicagos or the Fire Reds, although I guess all these other shoes have hits of black on them. This is strictly red and white and icy sole. I guess you could say very, very small touch of black there, but really profile of the shoe, it's just red and white, super clean, super nice. What do we have in the center here? In the middle of the tongue, we got a Jumpman, we got Zoodoc. Oh my gosh, I'm reading the font the wrong way. Zoodoc. We got Jumpman Jordan. And you gotta read it that way. That's hilarious. Insole, very simple, Jumpman. These are simple, these are clean, these are beautiful. And unfortunately, I'm most likely going to let them go. I never honestly would have gone for them because I'm just not a Jordan 11 guy. My wife messaged me, she caught the shock drop. She said we could return them if I don't want them. Since they're worth a little bit more on StockX, I'll likely resell them, let them go to someone else, and capture just a little bit of money to put towards some of the other shoes that are on their way. I've got a baby girl on the way, and I have been purging all of the crap that I have collected over the years because she's coming on a set schedule and I gotta have the room. So these are not something that I can collect and keep as beautiful as they are because I know they're just not for me. But man, if you are even thinking about getting these are beautiful. If you're a Jordan 11 guy, if you're a white and red guy, highly recommend these. I gotta get them on feet, let's see how they look. I've heard these crease really badly if you wear them. I met a friend last night who was wearing the 11s black and white. They look really good. They look really good. I've heard they're stiff. I heard they're a little bit hard to walk in. I'm kinda over and done with that type of shoe for me personally. I'm kinda over Jordan 1s a bit. I'll buy them to look nice at a special outing, but I'm not gonna rock them on the regular. And I just don't need another pair that leans that way. Still, beautiful shoe. That's all I've got. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you again at the next one soon.